Hello mga beshi! It's been a while. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, we're back here in Umluj City. Meron kaming na-discover na isang magandang place to rest. We don't need to find some hotels or some luxurious place to stay in kasi overnight lang naman. So since adventurous kami, so we found one place sa Google, actually na-recommend niya. Ang pangalan ng place is Royal Tours Permanent Camp. So ito yung mga tent sa likod ko. Yan yung mga tent na merong 3 beds inside. So itutuloy namin kayo dito sa place na to and see kung anong facilities, and syempre napakamura lang ng place na to. Sasabihin ko to dito sa vlog na to. Yala, watch this. So here is the tent for only how much is this? 186 reals. Oh my god, you have 3 beds plus you have the split type AC. So this is like a modern type of camping. But this is nice. Look at the surroundings. It's so Middle Eastern type of design, and the ambience outside. Plus you have the comfort room over there, and then you can also grill there. And then outside tomorrow, this is like a walking distance going to the beach. So tip namin, bring your own heater, water heater, so you can make your own coffee, and bring also some of the noodles, instant noodles. So it's a camping, no? So let's go outside. Let's go with Elvis. He's gonna prepare some barbecue. Hello ko. How's the Royal Tours? The Royal Canin. Masyado. So this is the CR. Hello. Good, alhamdulillah. Okay, skip halak. Pulo ka lang. Okay, hello. CR. So this. They have this 4 doors. Mangish ka lang. So, shower. Ganun pa rin naman siya. Camping type. Pero, modern. So, nalinis yung floors. So here, meron siyang small kiddie area. Here is the lavatory where you can wash your hands, soap, and this is the tambayan, no? So meron sila ditong sofa, sala. Yan, pwede dito mag-tambay-tambay. May kasama na rin dun parang electric fan. Yes. So let's go to the next comfort room because they have 2 comfort rooms here, shower room. Also, if you're going there further, it's also the rooms. Ayan. So I think they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like maybe more than 20 tents inside. And inside the tent, they have like 3 beds. But there are some tents here na beside ng comfort room. So up to you if you want to book at the side of beside the comfort room or what. Yeah. That's the entrance. Actually, this is a good place if you want to have take rest and take a break.
So nice here. I mean, the place is nice. It's so cozy, and like it's so cheap.
Yes,
so
like how much lang?
186 real.
Okay. Anong meron sa 186?
186 includes 3 beds in one tent.
Okay.
It's air conditioned.
Wow.
Yes. Includes using these facilities.
So parang nagka-camping ka na, may AC?
Yes.
Okay.
Nasa tent ka pero may AC.
Pero may mga comfort rooms naman and shower rooms naman
Oo,
dito.
ang linis, malinis. I recommend the comfort room.
How about yung ano nila, yung security? Kasi syempre camping
Ay,
to.
walang tulugan.
So walang tulugan, oo.
Bantayan mo gamit mo kasi walang locks yung mga tent. So, oo, walang tulugan. Bahala kayong mag-ano ng mga ano.
Kumbaga wag kang magdadala ng mga importante.
Yes. Don't
Malalaking
laptop,
pera,
yes.
ganyan. Oo, laptops, mga ganyan. Kasi nga kung magka-camping ka.
Oo.
Okay.
Yung mga cellphone nyo, kailangan may mga ano kayo, locks talaga, ganyan.
Okay. So here guys, these are the 3 beds. Okay, so what we're going to do is since we are four guys here, so we asked for an extra comforter. Okay, and then since we're 4 and this is only 3, what we're going to do is to do some hacks. Okay, so what we're going to do is we will combine these 2 beds into one, so 3 guys can sleep here and the other big guy can sleep on the other side. So you can save for only 186 reals for a day with 3 beds and with good ambience outside. It's very, very worth it. Okay, all right, so here also where you can see they provided one extra cupboard here where you can put all your things here. Maybe you have some things to hang, so yeah, you can use these cabinets then. And small trash bin here. There's also an outlet here where you can charge, or maybe you can heat some hot water. And then there is an AC inside the tent, so it's a modern tent, so with AC with 16 degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit? Celsius. All right, so let's go outside guys. So here is the tent. So basically that's what's inside all of these tents. But there are some tents with a bathroom, special bathroom, but that's kind of expensive. So here is the like lounge sa labas. Ayan. So here we're gonna take our dinner here. So they're preparing some grilled barbecues there. So they're preparing some barbecues there. And I have here Basim Ali. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. So how's the place?
Yeah, it's good. It's our traditional.
Exactly. So Middle Eastern tradition culture. It's so nice. It's so cozy. It's so quiet. Actually, the thing here is that for you to be able to come in this place, actually we're lost. We don't know the place because in Google Maps.
Okay, but just come in the morning time.
Yes, good point. So if you will check in here, make sure that it's still day and it has daylight.
Yes.
Because at night there's no anything here. There's no lights, anything. You will just
The Google Map.
come with the Google Map, but still Google Map is kind of complicated. Just follow the Google Map, okay, and open your car light.
Yes.
Ewa. So, yon mga beshi. So, I just finished my shower. So, grabe, ang sarap ng tubig dito. And hindi siya yung ina-expect natin na pang tulo-tulo lang na shower. Talagang bongga, ang lakas ng tubig ng shower. Tapos, may mga free na siyang mga toiletries like liquid soap, shampoo, may tissue pa, ang linis pa ng toilet, gumagana yung flash. Very accommodating pa yung staff dito. Isa lang yung staff dito nakakaloka ha. Siya yung gumagawa ng lahat pero grabe yung very accommodating siya. Kaya grabe, i-recommend ko sa inyo to. Puntahan nyo to dito sa Umluj City. Kung di kayo masyadong maarte and gusto nyo ng trip, eto, ang ganda ng place nila actually. Napaka-cozy lang, relaxing, walang ingay. Actually, bawal nga mag-ingay dito. Until 12 AM lang kasi pwedeng mag-ingay. So, better visit this place for only 186 reals for 1 night, 3 beds. It's very worth it. Alright. Yun, so good morning guys. So, ito siya sa umaga. So, breakfast muna kami dito and then later on, babalik ulit kami doon sa beach para maligo for the last time. Then after that, we'll move to Jeddah na. So, yon. So, eto siya in the morning. Yun, so visit Royal Royal Tours Permanent Camp here in Umluj City for only 186 reals for a night. Sulit na yon. Thank you for watching my vlog. Until next time guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more new uploads. Thank you. See ya. Bye. Strategy. This one.
Sabi bali. Bawal mo yan ha.
Sabi bali.
Sabi bali. Sabi bali. Sabi bali. Sabi bali. Sabi pa niya. Sabi pa. Hirap pala ito.
You can kita.
Sabi pa niya.
Yan, sa apat na?
Pang 5. Sabi pa niya. Ang tawag mo yan? Ano yan?
Sabi Bonnie.
Sabi pa niya.
The one who will lose first, so he will pay the sisha. Sabi Bonnie.
Sabi pa niya.
Oh, sisha ha? Talatin na rin yan.
Sabi pa niya.
Sabi Bonnie.
Sabi pa niya.
Sabi Bonnie.
Sabi pa niya. Sabi pa niya.
Kaya ka na